Imagine standing in front of your Orlando home. Two paths lie ahead. One keeps you tied to traditional electricity, while the other offers a chance to tap into solar power and save energy. Which path do you take? If you're even a little curious about the solar route, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll guide you through every twist and turn of home solar panel installation, helping you demystify the process and make the most of Orlando's sunny potential. By the end, you'll have a clear roadmap to kickstart your own solar journey. Orlando's sunny climate is a goldmine for solar energy production, with an average of 233 sunny days per year. This makes our city an ideal location for solar panel installations. But the benefits don't stop at the weather. By going solar, you can significantly reduce or even eliminate your electricity bills, increase your home's value, and shrink your carbon footprint. Before switching to solar, consider a few important factors. Start by assessing your roof's condition, orientation, and shade potential. Then review your energy usage through past electricity bills to help size the right system for your home. When it comes to solar panels, you have options. There are different types available, including monocrystalline, polycrystalline, and thin film panels. Each has its own balance of efficiency and cost, so it's worth exploring which type best suits your needs and budget. Speaking of budget, let's talk about the financial aspects of going solar. In Orlando, installation costs range from $12,000 to $30,000 before incentives. But don't worry, there are plenty of ways to cut these costs. You can take advantage of a 30% federal tax credit, OUC rebates, and flexible financing options like loans, leases, and power purchase agreements. Now, let's walk through the installation process. It all starts with a site evaluation and system design by a solar professional. They'll create a custom plan tailored to your home and energy needs. Next comes the permitting stage, where your installer will handle all the necessary paperwork required by local authorities. Then it's time for the exciting part, the actual installation. This involves mounting the racking system, installing the panels, and setting up the inverter and any additional equipment. Finally, your system will be connected to your home's electrical panel and the utility grid, followed by a thorough inspection. One of the great benefits of going solar in Orlando is the opportunity to participate in net metering. This program allows you to sell excess energy back to the grid through OUC, further reducing your electricity costs. It's like having your own mini power plant right on your roof. As with any major home project, challenges exist. Check HOA rules if applicable, ensure your roof is in good shape before installation, and confirm your installer meets local codes and wind load standards due to Orlando's hurricane risk. To get the most out of your solar investment, consider adding a battery system to store excess energy for use during outages or at night. Regularly clean panels and schedule annual inspections. Tech-savvy homeowners can optimize energy use by integrating with smart home technology. Installing solar panels on your Orlando home is more than just a home improvement project. It's a step towards a more sustainable future. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about sustainable living and home improvements, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. We'll be coming out with more videos soon. Until next time, let's keep building a better tomorrow together.